In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So the first step that you can take is to tap on this square icon, and here you've got all apps that are currently active. If you would like to close all of them, just tap on bin icon and it will optimize your device. As you can see now, it is in optimal condition. Then locate and open optimizer, and here you've got several options. So at first, sometimes this optimize tab will be active, so you can smoothly click on it and then your device will be optimized. Then mark cleanup right here. Wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see now, you can clean up some junk files by tapping on cleanup. It has been done. Also app data, and then mark which you would like to delete. Tap to delete if you truly want to do it, and that's it. We've just free up some space. Then you can click on virus scan. As you can see now, this device is secure, but if there is any threat detected, you will be informed, and then you will be able to remove this virus, which will also make your device work faster. And then you can also tap on battery icon, and if you would like to optimize battery usage, just tap here and it will be done. So this is it. This is how you can speed up your phone, how you can optimize the usage. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.